If you are struggling with making sales this summer, it may be because you do not have any true summer themed products featured in your shop. And in today's video, I want to share with you a great product to sell if you are selling POD products that can be great for the summertime. And I want to share with you top trending designs that can actually help you scale your sales this summer. I want to share this all with you coming up next. What's going to make this business possible is Printify. The reason for that is they are a print-on-demand provider that actually allow us to print these type of things on their 20-ounce tumbler. And this business model is really good because you don't have to buy all these things in bulk or print those out in your home. You can actually create this to be a semi-passive business to where that you only have to focus on creating and launching these products well, and Printify will take care of the printing and shipping out for you. So if you want to get started with that, make sure you check out my link down below as well as my discount code so you can get started today and try this out for your print-on-demand business. All right, so as you can see here, we're searching up summer tumblers here on Etsy, and there are a ton of different things you will see in the bottom of the results here. Obviously, we'll be able to see the actual tumblers that are selling well, like this one here, again, $15.73. But some of these are also mixed in with tumbler sublimation designs that, again, shoppers are purchasing to either use on their tumbler business or use for their personal use. I think we can learn from both categories here because obviously we understand that when you have a print-on-demand product, design matters, the micro niche matters, so we can learn from these areas of design that we have. Now, one of the popular design trends that is doing extremely well with these type of beach tumblers is having obviously a beach style in the background of the product itself, but then incorporating these little small words of the beach time and some positive vibes here in regards to the trend itself. Again, I think it's really easy to find these pre-made text design, but again, what makes this product stand out even more is this personalization all over the design itself. And obviously we see this is a best-selling product here. Again, 8 people bought this in the last 24 hours. And then if you look on the summer trend list with Etsy, there's not a lot of people who are incorporating these type of words on the tumbler all over the design itself. Normally we'll just find like this here, just the main design and focus and personalization, but nothing truly covering the entire tumbler with text, which I think is a huge opportunity for us to create these type of designs. One of the places that I oftentimes talk about where you can find a lot of pre-made text designs already there is Creative Fabrica. Again, this is where we can literally just find t-shirt designs that we can use for our tumbler business here. And as you can see, we have multiple words here: chasing sunset, hello sweet summer, again, hello sunshine. All these different type of pre-made text designs obviously is geared towards t-shirts, but we can use them in our own unique way for our tumbler designs that can fit with this overall style here. We're having these type of words and verbiage all over the tumbler itself. I think that would be a great addition to our design, and all we have to do here is just simply add this basic text design that's again made for a t-shirt, but we can utilize for our tumbler business and start creating this type of trending product. So we're back in Creative Fabrica, and we're going to grab this sunset over the ocean here that we're going to use for our background. All right, so here are the designs that we're going to use here for our tumbler design and our product, and all we're going to do here is just combine all of these things together on a tumbler, add in that personalization, and then upload that design into Printify where we can start selling this on Etsy. So the size that we're going to create our canvas in Canva is going to be what the print area is here, which is 2,781 pixel by 2,394. So we're definitely going to add this custom print size over into Canva so we can have the proper design space to create our product. All right, so here we are in Canva, and now I want to add in that custom size here. So I will go to custom size, then I add in that specific dimension here. All right, so I have the proper size here, and this is set to pixels, and now I can open this up. Now with that being said here, I have all of my assets again on the side here, which I'll just simply drag and drop in here, which is going to be our backdrop that we know is already trending on Etsy itself. Then I have all of my text that I'm going to add in here. Now, if you can see here, our text is black here, but one of the cool things about this in Canva that I can head over to edit the image. I can go into this detone feature here. I can change the color to white or truly to whatever color here. And I simply just want to turn this over into white, change the shadows in the highlight here. And as you can see, it's just that easy to make our product stand out even more. Now we can go a step further here. And sometimes I do this with my products. I like to add in some type of outline border to make this pop even more. And if I want to do that, all I have to do here is go to edit image again. I'll head over to shadows. I will go to outline, and as you can see, that really brings it out really well and really bold to make this stand out even more with our design. And I think this is exactly what we're going to follow here with our design trend. So now we're going to do the same thing to all of our pre-made text designs. We downloaded from Creative Fabrica and utilize the same type of feature, making this text white and putting that black outline on our design to make it pop even more. All right, so here's our design that we have so far. As you can see here, we added in that pre-made text all over our design here just to make it stand out even more. But then we also add in that personalization, just adding in the person's name and obviously the year of wherever they're traveling to, and we put in where they're traveling to. We can put multiple names here, but just as a holder today for this space, we add in Jamaica 2024. Again, this may seem really messy here on our end, but as you can see here, once we utilize this on a mock-up image, you can see how well this actually looks in regards to following top trending designs. And so again, it may look a little messy here, but that's why we have these outlines to ensure that we're putting things in a proper place so that when we do mock up our image, it is going to showcase all of our designs properly and really showcase what this product will look once it is printed and shipped out to our customers. And I think this turned out extremely well. And of course, we save so much time by adding in these pre-made text designs that's truly geared for t-shirts, but as you can see here, we utilized it for our space with tumblers. And of course, adding in personalization is always key to selling anything print on demand. Alright, so now we're going to download our design here so we can utilize this file to upload and to printify. And again, if you're selling personalized items, and obviously we're going to have this as a placeholder because we're going to change these names here to fit whatever our customer wants. But just to get our design into printify just as a placeholder so we know what has been ordered and what has been changed, we can go ahead and download this design here. And we're going to save this as a PNG file. And again, we're not going to worry about transparency because it is a full total image. And then we'll hit download there. And now we can upload this into our Printify account. And again, this is going to be as a placeholder so we know exactly what was purchased. So we know where to go back to and make those changes to add in that personalization. Now, this product can equally sell well if you do not want to add in any personalization to this. Obviously, all we have to do here is duplicate the image. Again, take off the personalization here. And that in itself can sell extremely well also. But again, whatever you decide to do, the process is still the same in regards to uploading these into Printify. All right, so here we are in Printify, and where we're going to go today is to catalog over to the right hand side where we'll go to bottles and tumblers. And then from here, the specific product again that we're selling is a 20-ounce tumbler here. So we definitely head over to this space as well and click on this. And for this particular product here, there's only one print on demand provider. So we'll definitely go with this person here. This is the process you would do for whatever product you're selling, either be personalized products or like we changed today, just that image itself with the general design. But again, we just want to create a placeholder so we can connect this to our Etsy shop so we can get all of that data synced over when a customer do purchase this product here. Now I want to go into start designing, but I definitely want to grab where my design is and upload this into my canvas area. In our case today, I'm going to drag and drop our design over into our space. And as you can see here, this covers the entire space of our design here. And of course, we are keeping that high level of 300 DPI, which is perfect for this tumbler wrap. And if we want to see how it looks, we can head over to a preview. And here is our design here. I think the design came out pretty good. And I think this is something we can start selling on our Etsy shop. Now I have a whole separate video where I teach you how to actually set this up and how you can actually fulfill these orders once you get it in to make those design changes and apply the proper design to the customer that's getting this product. And this process works for all print on demand products, either be t-shirts or in our case today, tumblers. It's the same process you would do for all of these personalized orders. If you want to learn that video, then make sure you click the link down below. So as you can see, there are a lot of summer themed tumblers that are doing extremely well that you can start launching on your Etsy shop right now. So if this video was in any way helpful, make sure you let me know by liking the video today and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.